That's Rocco. He's very playful. He's 2 months old. That's his brother, Rocket. Rocco. Hi. He's a little cockapoo puppy. And he needs a good home where he can play and grow and be loved. He loves toys. He's got a big monkey right there that he's been playing with. Where'd he go? Yeah, oh no, he's in jail now. Whoops. Hi, Rocco. Rocco.
Yeah, tug of war. Tug of war.
Rocket. Rocco.
Brothers. What was that? Who was that? Who was that? Cockapoos. Cocker Spaniel and Poodle. Cocker Spaniel, Poodle. My mom was a poodle, my dad was a Cocker Spaniel. They're gonna be so cute. They are so cute. Oh, giraffe! Woo! Oh, Christmas roll!
You guys are too cute.